Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we're in a 2025 Chevy Silverado 1500 and we've installed the dual 40-inch Pro Series light bars. One light bar is in white, one light bar is in yellow, and I want to show you the difference that it makes when compared to the factory low beams and the high beams. So these are the factory low beams, these are the factory high beams. This is a 40-inch light bar in white. Look how much additional light you get when compared to the high beams. The Pro Series light bar has larger reflectors, so it's capable of throwing light a lot further when compared to the standard, and you get plenty of light. I'm going to turn it off and turn it back on. So now I'm going to do the same thing with the yellow light bar. So these are the factory low beams, these are the factory high beams, and this is the yellow light bar. Yellow light is good for bad weather conditions, such as fog, snow, rain, or dust, and it doesn't reflect back at you like white light does. So I'm gonna do a combination. These are the factory low beams, these are the factory high beams, this is the white light bar, and this is the yellow light bar. You guys are gonna absolutely love this product. Thank you guys for watching, and please take a look at our step-by-step installation instructions so that way you can get the confidence that you need to install this product yourself.